What I love most about my job is going out to the job sites to work with the contractors and just to see what they can do with our material. But it's really nothing until the contractor can quilt all of our different styles of pavers and colors into their work of art.
This is a wedding venue we had completed a year ago. There's all Unilock products on this project, and it's one of our keystones in our portfolio. What I love about my job is creating unique landscapes and hardscapes for our clients and creating outdoor living spaces our clients will be able to enjoy for years to come.
It's all their blood, sweat, and tears, and it really comes out in the finished product. The product selection was perfect in that the color matched up or complemented the facade of the buildings really well. To see our product used in such an appropriate fashion was just perfect.